This high-power knob dimmer supports DC 12 to 24 volts, 30 amps, 720 watts maximum. Easily rotate the knob to adjust the brightness of the light. The adjustment is smooth and continuous from 0 to 100% brightness. With its 30 amp capacity, this dimmer can handle high-power LED strips, multiple fixtures, or large installations without performance loss. It can be panel-mounted or surface installed, compatible with most 12 and 24 volts LED lighting systems. For full specification, please feel free to contact us.